lemonade, Sprite soda, some sugar, some crushed pineapples, Kool-Aid lemonade. And then we also have 2 lemons, and we're gonna use some pineapple juice. Hey, if you love good punch, you're gonna wanna try this one. This is guaranteed to be good, so let's get to it. First, we're gonna start off with the Lemonade Kool-Aid. Go ahead and dump that pack into the pitcher. Now go ahead and add half a cup of sugar to this. Now go ahead and add 2 cups of water to this, and then go ahead and give it a stir until everything dissolves. Now for that frizz, I want you to go ahead and add about 2 cups of Sprite soda. Pour it in slowly now, so you want to keep that carbonation. Next up, we're going to add about 2 cups of that Simply lemonade because we want that fresh, tangy flavor. We ain't got that Grey Goose, but we do have some pineapple juice. What we're going to do is add about 2 cups of this here pineapple juice. This is going to help us bring that tropical vibe. Now I want you to go ahead and give this baby a gentle stir. Now with those crushed pineapples, just take about a couple of tablespoons of that crushed pineapple and just stir it up gently. Now you're ready to serve this baby up however you like. Throw some ice in a cup, throw some ice in a pitcher. Have this with some of your favorite meal. I don't care what it is. Fried chicken, pork chop, collard greens, black eyed peas, canty yams. Whatever you want to have this Kool-Aid with, this fresh tropical lemonade punch with, go ahead and do so. Trust and believe me, y'all, it's so good. And this is a recipe that you have to try. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Like the video, love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. And please remember to subscribe. Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Peace.